Hello everyone, I'm Alec. I'm the co-founder of Afforai. Today, for this video, I'll walk you guys through how to use Afforai for the first time. So when you first sign up, you'll log in, you'll see a tutorial screen right here. So this tutorial is meant to give you a better understanding of what the features you have on your dashboard right now. So I'll let you guys explore that on your own time. I'm going to move right into how to use Afforai for the first time, all right? So here we can click upload documents. And this time I want to work with my economics book because let's say I have an economics exam coming up. I can click, choose my economics book. Here you see files to upload. The macroeconomics book will be loaded in. And now all you got to do is click upload. All right, so now it's going to take a little bit for I to absorb and upload the information, upload the document. So when it's finished uploaded, it's going to be automatically connected to your chatbot number one right here. And all you got to do then is start interacting with the Afforai research assistant. All right, perfect timing. So the macroeconomics book is now loaded up. You can see all 600 pages worth of information on the document viewer on the left. And now you can get as creative as you want with this document. With powerful mode on, I highly recommend leaving this powerful mode on when you research a big amount of documents. When you don't upload any documents, you can just turn it off. So now let's say, what's this macroeconomics about? Macro. All right, there you go. It gives you a very detailed summary of the whole book. And you can get very creative here, like I said. So you can create quiz exams, questions to help you prepare for your exam, or also to help you with your thesis, your research papers, anything. And with Afora, you can upload 10, 50, 100, even 100 documents of any type of research papers from any discipline in any topic, especially in any language. Afora supports over 100 language. So if you ask in Japanese, it's going to give you your answer in Japanese from an English economics book. Does that sound good? All right, for the next video, we're going to explore different sections such as chatbots, files, prompts, file wizard. We're going to dive all of that into that in the next videos. All right, see you guys next time.